Has anybody ever seen anything like this? Do you know what that machine is that we're pulling behind the tractor there? I'm going to give you a bird's eye view of a day of cutting hay and what that would look like. Just enjoy this. Not many people get to see it from this perspective. It's an awesome, awesome day on the farm here. If you followed us this long, go ahead and hit that plus sign if you haven't already and help us out. If you guys have any questions about anything we're doing, feel free to shoot them in the comments and we'll try our best to answer every one that we can.